Hi, my name is John Alexander and I am an attorney specializing in personal injury law. I'm going to talk to you today about finding more insurance coverage if you are injured in a motor vehicle accident. If you are unfortunately the victim of a motor vehicle accident and have suffered injuries or serious injuries, the first insurance policy that you're going to want to look to find coverage for your injuries is the driver of the motor vehicle that hit you. There are other policies and coverages that may be available to you. For example, the owner of the vehicle that hit you may have a separate insurance policy, and you should look to that for coverage. Sometimes an owner of a vehicle is not the same person as the driver of the vehicle. Another policy that you may want to look to is called excess or umbrella or PLUP policy. PLUP standing for personal lines umbrella coverage. The driver of the vehicle may have an excess policy. In other words, if he is driving with a $20,000 insurance policy, or $50,000 or $100,000, he may have also bought a separate insurance policy called excess coverage, and this may afford you additional coverage. Another way to look for additional coverage is if the driver, the at-fault driver that struck you, was driving in the course and scope of employment, the employer of the driver may be responsible to you for your damages if the driver was driving in the course and scope of employment. Another possible avenue of coverage for you is, for example, if you were a victim of an accident at an intersection. There may be a vision obstruction on one of the adjacent lands. In that situation, the landowner or the possessor of that property may also be responsible to you for your injuries and damages. Another possibility of obtaining some money for you if you're injured is a road defect. There may be a pothole or something significantly wrong with the roadway that contributed to the accident. Also, even though there was two vehicles in the accident, there might have been a third car involved, such as cutting somebody off causing the accident. This person's insurance coverage also may afford you additional monies for your injuries. If you have any questions, you can certainly call me, John Alexander, at 248-290-5600 for a free consultation.